Hello there! I was just doing some shopping when I saw many empty displays products used at the front of a pharmacy. Thanks to the pharmacist, he allowed me to show you how they organize themselves with our products. At the entrance of the pharmacy, they use Q-belt, heavy, rust-proof barrier with locking belt. If the pharmacy capacity is full, they can also close the entrance with safety locking system. Here is a telescoping menu board with steel base, so it's suitable for outdoor use. The height is adjustable easily, and the position of the frame can be adjusted landscape and portrait positions. This pharmacy has also ramp for wheelchairs. In order to direct people to the ramp with wheelchair, they used Eco A-board with galvanized backing and soft feet. I can see also Eco Info board because the pharmacy wants to take the attention of people passing by from this side or that side. They use double-sided poster sign. Poster is slided in and out easily. The base is moderate size, so it is suitable for traffic areas. It is stable. Shining bright, especially in the evening, they used Best Buy LED box, double-sided, suspended from the ceiling, so it takes attention of the advertisement inside the pharmacy and also outside. Here is a window frame. Outside, because window frame is applied inside the pharmacy on the shop window with double-sided tape, they close the double-sided tape with decorative profiles. Window sign has two components: frame without backing and decorative profiles. Frame without backing is applied inside the shop with self-adhesive tape, which is already comes with the product. It has two protection foils and two posters facing inside the pharmacy and the front. Decorative profiles are applied outside the shop to close double-sided tape view. At the entrance of the pharmacy, sanitizing dispenser for wall and glass is applied. Let's see what we've got inside the pharmacy. As most pharmacies, this one is also busy with lots of medicines, pills, supplements, vitamins. In order to organize this busy environment, they use wood poster stand for their flyers displaying on both sides of the stand. Clear pockets provide full view to the flyers. In order to avoid direct contact between the visitors and the staff, they use practical sneeze guard, which is low-cost protection on counter. It is stable with 2 feet on the counter. It is light, so if necessary, its place can be changed easily. Here I can see multiple pocket leaflet dispenser. They use A4 size with 3 pockets. It is crystal clear without any injection lines. I hope this video gives you some idea about how MT Displays product can be used in different environments. Keep on watching us. Goodbye.